Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to all my dear students. I hope that you all will be fine. As you know that this is your English class and we were studying the unit number 2, The Strange Voyage of Sinbad. So before starting our today's topic, I shall ask few questions from you about the previous lecture. And the first question is that what was the name of the bird? So it must come in your mind that the writer is asking about that bird which was very enormous legendary bird. So the name of that bird whom Sindbad saw was Rock. Second question is with whom Sindbad tied himself. When Sindbad got stuck in a deserted island, he made up his mind to get away from that place. So for this purpose, he tied himself with that bird, with that enormous legendary bird, Rock's feet. So its answer will be Sindbad tied himself tightly with the Rock's feet. Sindbad tied himself tightly with the Rock's feet. The third question is what did Sindbad see in the valley? So Sindbad saw a number of horrible snakes in the valley. And the fourth question is when snakes hide in caves. And you know very well that these snakes were afraid of that legendary bird whose name was Rock. So snakes hide in the caves by day and only came out in night due to the fear of that legendary enormous bird whose name was Rock. So these questions were the few brainstorming questions which will just revise those main points of the previous lecture. And now moving towards our today's lecture. All day long I wandered up and down the valley, and when it grew dusk I crept into a little cave, and having blocked up the entrance to it with a stone, I ate part of my little store of food and lay down to sleep. But all through the night the serpents crawled to and fro, hissing horribly. All day long, Sara Din, I wandered. You have to underline that word wandered. And the synonym of that word wander is roam, traps, phirna, घूमना फिरना. So all day long, सारा दिन I wandered up and down the valley. मैं वादी में ऊपर नीचे घूमता रहा. And when it grew dusk, और जब शाम हो गई, that word is dusk. And when it grew dusk, और जब शाम हो गई, ग़रूब आफ्ताब हो गया, I crept. That is the second form of the verb creep. That is basically a verb. The first form is creep, second form is crept, third form crept, fourth form creeping, and fifth form creeps. So the synonym of the word creep is crawl, move slowly, ringna या घुसना. Ringna, that will be the most suitable word for that. Most suitable meaning of the word creep. Creep, crawl, move slowly. So the writer is saying that when it grew dusk, और जब शाम हो गई, I crept into a little cave. मैं एक छोटे से गार में घुस गया या रिंगता हुआ चला गया. And having blocked up the entrance to it with a stone. और इसके दाखिली दरवाजे को या और he's talking about that entrance from where he entered into the rock, from where he entered into the cave. So he is saying that and having blocked up the entrance to it with a stone, और एक पत्थर के साथ इसको बंद कर दिया. I ate part of my little store of food. Little store of food means basically वो मुख्तसर ज़ख़ीरा यानी कि मुख्तसर खाना जो कि उसने अपने पास रखा हुआ था. I ate part of my little store of food. मैंने अपने मुख्तसर ज़ख़ीरा खाना खाया and lay down to sleep. और सोने के लिए लेट गया. But all through the night, लेकिन सारी रात, the serpents, you have to pronounce that word as serpents and underline it. The synonym of the word serpent is snake or evil person, nag ya ajdaha. You can also use its meaning as evil person, but right now in this chapter we will pronounce it as serpent and the meaning of that word will be snake. So but all through the night, like in sari raat, the serpents crawled to and fro, अजदहे आगे पीछे रेंगते रहे, हिसिंग हॉरिबली। हिसिंग इज बेसिकली दैट साउंड विच स्नैक मेड, जिसे हम लोग उर्दू में फनकार बोलते हैं। एंड हॉरिबली, अंडरलाइन दैट वर्ड हॉरिबली। द सिनोनिम ऑफ द वर्ड हॉरिबली इज टेरिबली, खौफनाक। हॉरिबली, टेरिबली, खौफनाक। बट ऑल थ्रू द नाइट, लेकिन सारी रात, द सर्पेंट्स क्रॉल्ड टू एंड फ्रो हिसिंग हॉरिबली। अजदहे और सांप खौफनाक फनकार करते हुए आगे पीछे रेंगते रहे। इन द मॉर्निंग, सुबह, when the snakes went to their dens, underline that word dens, you will have to pronounce that word as dens, and the synonym of the word dens is cave or hole, ghar. Dens, cave or hole, ghar. So he is saying that in the morning when the snakes went to their dens, सुबह जब सांप अपने गारों में चले गए, I came tremblingly, मैं कांपते हुए बाहर आया। आई केम ट्रेम्बलिंगली, मैं कांपते हुए आया। आउट ऑफ माई केव, अपने गार से, मैं अपने गार से कांपते हुए बाहर आया। ही इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट केव इन विच ही स्पेंड हिज होल नाइट। एंड वॉन्डर्ड अप द वैली, एंड वॉन्डर्ड अप एंड डाउन द वैली, और वादी में ऊपर नीचे घूमने लगा। वंस मोर, एक दफ़ा फिर। आई केम ट्रेम्बलिंगली आउट ऑफ द केव, मैं गार से कांपते हुए बाहर आया। एंड वॉन्डर्ड अप एंड डाउन द वैली वंस मोर, और एक दफ़ा फिर वादी में ऊपर नीचे घूमने लगा। किकिंग द डायमंड्स कंटेम्पचुअसली, यू विल हैव टू प्रोनाउंस दैट वर्ड एज कंटेम्पचुअसली, एंड द सिनोनिम ऑफ द वर्ड कंटेम्पचुअसली विल बी डिसडेनफुली, हकारत से। कंटेम्पचुअसली, डिसडेनफुली, हकारत से। किकिंग द डायमंड्स कंटेम्पचुअसली आउट ऑफ माई पाथ, और मैं अपने रास्ते से उन जवाहरात को हकारत से लात मारता या हकारत से मारता था। पाथ, underline that word path, and the synonym of the word path will be way, rasta. So he is saying that kicking the diamonds contemptuously out of my path, और अपने रास्ते में आए हुए जवाहरात को हकारत से लात मारता। for I felt, क्योंकि मैंने ये महसूस किया, that they were indeed vain things, क्योंकि मैंने ये महसूस किया कि ये बेशक बेकार चीज़ें हैं। टू अ मैन, ऐसे शख्स के लिए, इन माई सिचुएशन, जो कि इस हालत में हो। मीन्स टू से दैट ही डिडंट गेट एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ मीन ऑफ वे फ्रॉम escaping that area. So he is saying that kicking the diamonds contemptuously out of my path, और मैं हकारत से अपने रास्ते में आए हुए जवाहरात को लात मारता। For I felt that were indeed vain things to a man in my situation, क्योंकि मैंने ये महसूस किया कि ऐसी सूरत हाल में किसी भी शख्स के लिए बेशक ये बेकार चीज़ें हैं। At last, आखिरकार, I sat down upon a rock, मैं एक चट्टान पर बैठ गया। But I had hardly closed my eyes, लेकिन मैंने बमुश्किल ही अपनी आंखें बंद की होंगी। When I was startled, underline that word startled, the synonym of the word startled will be alarm or surprise, चौंका देना। So when I was startled by something, जब मुझे किसी चीज़ ने चौंका दिया, which fell to the ground, जो कि ज़मीन पर गिरी, with a thud close beside me, you have to pronounce that word as thud, underline it. The synonym of the word thud will be crash or bang, धमाका. So he is saying that when I was startled by something, जब मुझे किसी चीज़ ने चौंका दिया, which fell to the ground with a thud close beside me, जो कि मेरे करीब ही धमाके के साथ ज़मीन पर गिरी। It was a huge piece of fresh meat, ये ताज़ा गोश्त का एक बड़ा टुकड़ा था। And as I stared at it, और जब मैंने इसे घूरा, several more pieces rolled over the cliffs in different places, तो कई मकामात से गोश्त के कई टुकड़े ज़मीन पर पड़े थे। And as I stared at it, several more pieces rolled over the cliffs in different places, और जब मैंने इसे घूरा तो गोश्त के कई टुकड़े मुख्तलिफ मकामात पर पड़े थे। It was the merchants, ये ताजर थे, throwing great lumps of meat into the valley, जो के वादी में गोश्त के बड़े टुकड़े फेंक रहे थे। You will have to underline that word lumps, and the synonym of the word lumps will be piece or mass, मिकदार या कसीर। It was the merchants, ये ताजर थे, throwing great lumps of meat into the valley, जो के वादी में गोश्त के बड़े टुकड़े फेंक रहे थे या कसीर तादाद में गोश्त को फेंक रहे थे। Which fell with so much force upon the diamonds, जो के जवाहरात पर इतनी कुव्वत से गिरते। that they stuck to it, कि वो उसके साथ चिपक जाते. When the eagles pounced upon the meat, you will have to underline that word pounced, and the synonym of the word pounce will be spring or swoop, झपटना. When the eagles pounced upon the meat, जब शाहीन या उकाब गोश्त पर झपटते and carried it off to their nests, और उसे अपने घोंसले में ले जाते, to feed their hungry children, अपने भूखे बच्चों को खिलाने के लिए. The merchants would scare the eagles away, ताजर शाहीनों को डरा के भगा लेते, and secure the treasure, और ख़जाने को महफूज कर लेते. Underline that word scare. The synonym of the word scare will be terrify, drana. So he is basically saying that these merchants were throwing great lumps of bread into the valley which got stuck to the diamonds. And when these eagles pounced upon these diamonds and carried them to their nests to feed their hungry children, then they came towards their nests and they make a lot of noise and scare them. So they ran away, they flew away, and they secured the treasure. I had an idea. मेरे जहन में एक तरकीब सूझी. And I began by picking up all the largest diamonds. और मैंने बड़े जवाहरात को उठाना शुरू कर दिया. I could find जो कि मुझे मिले, and storing them carefully in the bag, और उन्हें एहतियात से अपने बस्ते में या बैग में रखना शुरू कर दिया, महफूज कर दिया. which had held my provisions, जिनमें मेरे खाने का सामान वगैरह मौजूद था. So he is basically talking about that bag in which he was putting his provisions of eating or anything else which he was having. So he is saying that this I tied securely to my belt, और इसको मैंने महफूज तरीके से अपने बेल्ट के साथ बांध दिया. I then chose the piece of meat, तब मैंने गोश्त के एक टुकड़े को मुंतखब किया, which seemed most suitable for my purpose, जो कि मेरे मकसद के लिए बिल्कुल मौजू दिखाई देता था. And with the aid of my turban, you will have to underline that word aid, and the synonym of the word aid will be help, मदद. With the aid of my turban, और अपनी पगड़ी की मदद से, bound it firmly to my back, इसे अपनी कमर के साथ मजबूती से बांध दिया. This done, I laid down upon my face, ऐसा करने के बाद मैं अपने चेहरे के बल लेट गया. And awaited the coming of the eagles, और उकाब या शाहीन के आने का इंतज़ार करने लगा. I soon heard the flapping of their mighty wings. You will have to underline that word flapping, and the synonym of the word flapping will be moving up and down of wings or arms, phadphadana. So he is talking about the birds. So he is saying that I soon hear the flapping of their mighty wings. You will have to underline that word mighty also. The synonym of the word mighty will be powerful, strong, mazboot. I soon hear the flapping of their mighty wings above me. जल्द ही मैंने अपने ऊपर उनके मजबूत परों के फड़फड़ाने की आवाज़ सुनी. And had the satisfaction, और मुझे ये जानकर तसल्ली हुई, इत्मीनान हुआ, feeling one of them seize upon my piece of meat, कि उनमें से एक मेरे गोश्त के टुकड़े पर झपटा. He is talking about that piece of meat on which he was laying. And me with it, और मेरे समेत, and rise slowly towards his nest, और वो आहिस्ता से अपने घोंसले की तरफ रवाना हुआ या उड़ा. Into which he presently dropped me, जिसमें ले जाकर उसने मुझे गिराया. Luckily, खुशकिस्मती से, you will have to underline that word luckily, and the synonym of the word luckily will be fortunately, खुशकिस्मती से. Luckily, खुशकिस्मती से, the merchants were on the watch, ताजर चौकीदारी कर रहे थे, and setting up their usual outcries और उन्होंने मामूल के मुताबिक शोर गुल मचाया. They rushed to the nest, scaring away the eagle. वो उकाब को भगाने के लिए उसके घोंसले की तरफ भागे. Rushed basically means run in a hurry. Their amazement, you will have to underline that word amazement, and the synonym of the word amazement will be astonishment, हैरानी. Amazement, astonishment, हैरानगी. Their amazement was great. उनकी हैरानगी की इंतहा न रही, या फिर वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैरान हुए. When they discovered me, जब उन्होंने मुझे पाया. you will have to underline that word discovered, and the synonym of the word discover will be find or see, ढूंढना, पाना. Their amazement was great. उनकी हैरानगी की इंतहा न रही. When they discovered me, जब उन्होंने मुझे पाया. I made a deal with them. मैंने उनके साथ एक सौदा किया, लेन देन किया. By showing them the diamonds. उन्हें हीरे दिखाकर. मैंने उन्हें हीरे दिखाकर उनके साथ एक सौदा किया. I had brought from the valley. जो मैं अपने साथ वादी से लाया था. The merchants agreed to take me along. ताजर मुझे अपने साथ ले जाने के लिए रजामंद हो गए. I stayed with them several days. मैंने कई दिनों तक उनके साथ क़याम किया. And then as they were journeying homewards, और जब वो अपने घरों की तरफ रवाना हुए, I gladly accompanied him. मैंने खुशी उनका साथ दिया. So next, before we left, रवाना जाने से पहले, I exchanged. You will have to underline that word exchanged, and the synonym of the word exchanged will be interchange, तबादला करना. Before we left, जाने से कबल, I exchanged one of my diamonds for much goodly merchandise. मैंने अपने एक हीरे को अच्छी कीमत पर बेचा, उन सौदागरों पर अच्छी कीमत पर बेचा. Which I profited greatly on our homeward way. जिसकी वजह से घर वापसी के रास्ते में मुझे बड़ा मुनाफा हुआ. At last, आखिरकार, I reached home. मैं घर पहुंचा. Where my first action, जहां मेरा पहला अमल, was to bestow. That word you will have to pronounce as bestow. Underline it, and the synonym of the word bestow will be grant, give, अता करना, देना, अतिया करना. Where my first action was to bestow large sums of money upon the poor. जहां मेरा पहला अमल गरीबों में एक कसीर तादाद में रकम को अतिया करना था. जहां मेरा पहला अमल गरीबों के लिए कसीर तादाद में रकम अतिया करना था. After which, जिसके बाद, I settled down to enjoy tranquilly. You will have to pronounce that word as tranquilly. And the synonym of the word tranquilly will be in a relaxed manner. सुकून से. After which, जिसके बाद, I settled down to enjoy tranquilly the riches. मैं उस सुकून के साथ उस दौलत से लुत्फानंदोज होने लगा. I had gained. Underline that word gained. And the synonym of the word gain will be acquire. हासिल करना. Which I had gained with so much toil and pain. Underline that word toil. And the synonym of the word toil will be effort. सख्त मेहनत करना. Which I had gained with so much toil and pain. जिसे मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल और सख्त मेहनत से हासिल किया था. So now moving towards our today's main points. The first point is Sindbad spent night in a little cave. So he is talking about Sindbad, that he spent his first night when he was in a deserted island. He spent night in a little cave. Next point, he is saying that Sindbad startled by something which fell to the ground with a thud. He heard a sound, so he is talking about that thing. These were the pieces of meat. Again, he is saying that merchants were throwing large pieces of meat into the valley. So these 2 points are almost having some sort of linkage. Next point, he is saying that diamonds stuck with meat and merchants secure the treasure. He is telling us about their techniques, about the merchants' technique, that why they were throwing the large lumps of meat into the valley. Next point, Sindbad picked up the diamonds and put them in his bag. Next point, Sindbad laid down on a big piece of meat. So what was going in his mind? You know very well, because we have learned, and I also translated for you in Urdu. Next point is eagles seized upon the piece of meat and dropped him in his nest. Next point is merchants make up their cries and free Sindbad. And the last point is Sindbad reached home and bestow some money among the poor. Or you can say that a large sum of money among the poor. So these were basically the few main points which will tell you that what we have learned today. And now moving towards words synonyms. Again, I am pronouncing for you. Creep, crawl, move slowly. Wander, roam, traps. Serpent, snake, evil person. horribly, terribly, dense, cave or hole, contemptuously, disdainfully, path, way, startle, alarm, surprise. Third, crash, bang, lump, piece, mass, pounce, spring, swoop, scare, terrify, aid, help, flapping, moving up and down of wings or arms, etc. Mighty, powerful, strong, luckily, fortunately, amazement, astonishment, discover, find or see, exchange, interchange, bestow, grant or give, tranquilly, in a relaxed manner, gain, acquire, toil, effort. So your homework is to write these words as synonyms, English meanings plus Urdu meanings on your rough copy. You will have to pause that video and then you will have to write these word synonyms neat and clean on your rough copy and then take a picture and send it to me. If you have any sort of difficulty in that topic, you can ask me, you can ask from me below there in comments. Thanks and have a nice day.